Welcome back to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. Today's video is a haul video and a very good replacement of Shein. So long, this setup, I have been missing it. Today I've got some good news for all of you. I know that we are all very sad that Shein has been banned in India, but for the good. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you what all I have shopped from Lulu and Sky, which is a perfect replacement I think for Shein.in. So in this website you find clothes, you find shoes, bags, caps, accessories, jewelry and a lot more things to check out, and the prices are similar to Shein, in fact more cheap, and I really like the collection over there. It is very trendy and fashionable. I cannot wait to show you all what I have shopped from Lulu and Sky. So hang on to this video, keep on watching the haul and let me know which one was your favorite piece. Share this video with your Shein girlfriends and subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. Let's get started.
Okay, so the first outfit is this beautiful fuchsia shift dress. You can see it has cold shoulders going on. It has these ruffle detailing all over the body. It is priced at this much when I had got it, and it is a pure cotton dress and looks fantastic, and I'm going to style it in so many different ways. This one is the second look, and this is also a part of the Lulu and Sky haul. This is a tulle skirt which is a part of this sugar rush yellow midi dress, which I could not film unfortunately, but I'm so sorry. This is part of that skirt. It was a two-piece and I have paired it up with this beautiful pink dress out here. Looks fantastic and I can't stop raving about it because it is so multi-dimensional, can be paired out with so many different outfits, and I'm going to create that on my Instagram, so do follow me over there. Next up, I have paired this same dress with a printed shorts. This one is another purchase from Lulu and Sky, and this was just for rupees, you can see here, and I am so thrilled by this haul because the prices over here are so affordable. This one does not have any pockets as such, but still I don't mind because it's so fantastic for the price. The next one is this amazing flary blue skater dress. It is so affordable when I had got it. I don't know if you're going to get the same dress right now in stock. Maybe whatever I have shopped, I have shown you with those lower thirds in the video, so I'm going to also mention the links. The quality is fabulous of all the clothings out here. This one is a Bandeau top, and this one is a piece of cloth which you must have in your wardrobe in a staple color like a black or a white or a blue, which can go with multiple outfits. This one in yellow adds up so much value to this plain dress or to any printed dress in fact. Next up is this amazing blue top which is perfect for office wear. I have already worn it about 5 to 6 times in my office, and it is so comfortable, so loose and all. I have lost some weight, so now it's even more loose on me, and this is a shiny material blue with this fabric and looks like sort of curtain, I know, but yet very beautiful. This one is my favorite, but it is a little uncomfortable because of the slits over here, so I'm continuing to wear the pant I was wearing in the previous slide, and then this is off shoulder, so I'm not very comfortable with that. So what I did, I paired up with this Bandeau top, and it made it very much secure and tight in the bust area, so I did not have any fear of falling off. And the next one is a two-piece. No, this black pant is not a part of the outfit. This one is a pinafore two-piece set, and it can be styled multiple ways, and this one is a part of the outfit in a black denim skirt, and it has these at the end of the skirt you will see this part. It is part of the outfit and makes it look like a set. So the button is in front and you cannot really detach it because it is attached from the back. I hope you get what I mean. Now the next one is a grid stockings, and it is so sexy. I mean, any short outfit can look very sexy with these stockings out here. Very good purchase. The next one is this leopard cover up, and I'm also trying to show you the grid leggings, grid stockings over here, and this one can be perfect for your beach parties. And I have paired a slip inside this, a long slip inside this. This was not part of the outfit, and then I have made it one shoulder like this, and I can also style it in multiple ways because of the strings going on. I really love this one so much. And it can be also styled like this, which is a part of the haul, a midi skirt, but actually it's a tulle skirt, and I love it so much. I have also worn this same skirt in my Europe trip. If you haven't seen my Europe trip videos, go and watch it. I'm going to link it above. And this is how I looked in them when I was wearing it in Europe, and I thoroughly enjoyed the look with the red top, because the color beige matches so well with bright colors, black and leopard prints, as well as you can see here. The next one is the last outfit for this video. This one is a sequins white maxi top, and it's so sexy and so cute. And this one also was a very affordable purchase. I had worn this one at Kaye, a factory, when I was in Switzerland, and this one at that time I had paired it with a full denim because it was very cold over there, and now I've paired it up with the shorts, and that's about it.
Alright, so this was the video. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and let me know which one was your favorite piece, which one looked the best on me, and which one are you going to pick up. Check out all the links down below in the description box. And this video is not sponsored, guys, so I'm not making any money or any kind of benefit out of this video. This was out of my sheer love which I have for my fam. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you find it helpful. And even if you find it a teeny meeny helpful, go hit that subscribe button right now and share this with your Shein girlfriend, and let her know that there's a replacement in India for Shein, and that's Lulu and Sky. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.